on and off. There was disco lights.
Oh yeah.
And the lights are off.
and you-
Sorry guys,
What was it
my phone just went off again.
And you know, Gabby made me jump that whole thing.
My fridge is full.
What jump what?
She made me jump over on a sleeping bag
Oh, sleeping man.
at Freedom Park. And I was like, ah! And I pooped off. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Wasn't there a trampoline that you can jump on? On it?
There was a pink trampoline next to it.
Ah, you can't jump on there.
Ooh, I'm gonna go crazy now.
I'm gonna go crazy, bro.
I'm dying.
Oh, beautiful.
Uncle Nevo,
Gabby, my best
can
friend,
you give me?
she said I have hair in my armpits. I don't even have hair in my armpits.
Can you give me to Vienna? Uncle Nevo, can you
What you
give
doing
me
there?
to Vienna?
It's the hair in my armpit.
What about, yeah, okay, what about your armpit? What's it?
My friend Lamisla, she said I have
Uncle
Nevo,
Nevo, can you give me
You
to
had what, the
Vienna?
armpit?
I have hair in my armpit.
Have you?
Yes.
No.
Uncle Nevo, can you
Nonsense.
give me to